I just wanted to pop in quick and give you guys all an update on the stainless painted microwave and dishwasher. So a lot of you guys were really excited about this product, and I am too. I just think it is so cool. If you guys haven't seen the video yet, basically I painted my white appliance stainless, and then I also painted the microwave stainless, and I think it just gives such a great look to the kitchen. Our kitchen before just looked unfinished because things weren't matching, and I know a lot of people don't really get the hype around stainless appliances, but at least where I am, people just, it's like a thing. People just love stainless. I don't know why. And I just feel like it makes our kitchen look a lot more put together now that everything is the same finish. A lot of you guys were wondering why I put in the time and effort to paint the dishwasher if it's not really working. Well, to be honest, we never use a dishwasher. We've always had one and we just don't use it. I feel like it's kind of a waste. I would rather just wash dishes myself. I don't know if I'm weird. Let me know if you guys are like that too. So we do want to eventually get a new dishwasher, but because we don't use one and we probably won't use it, there's really no point of us rushing to get one. So until we actually go and buy a new dishwasher, we just wanted ours to look a little bit better because it definitely looked rough before. It was white, it was kind of looking a little rusty, and I just felt like it made our kitchen not look so great. So once there's a really great sale somewhere for a dishwasher, we will buy one. So I figured if I could spend $23 on a stainless product and just make the kitchen look more put together, I would rather do that than spend $1,000 on a new dishwasher and a few $100s on the microwave. And the thing with the microwave, a lot of people weren't understanding. They're like, microwaves are only $50. But this microwave in particular goes above the stove, as you guys can see here, and it acts as our hood for the oven. I can't think, oh my gosh. And basically it has the vents for the stove. So those ones are more expensive. They're about $200 to $300 on the low end. So again, it's just extra money we don't need to spend if it's working. So let me show you guys what it looks like. So here is what the microwave looks like. And one thing that a lot of people were also mentioning is that they wish that the microwave had more of a shiny finish. And I did mention in the video, the kit comes with a sealer or like a gloss. And I did put one coat on, but I decided I liked how it looked with just one coat. But if you guys want your appliances to be really shiny, you can add as many coats as you want, the box says. And yeah, it'll just be shinier. So that's just something to keep in mind. So here is a quick little overview of it. Here you guys can see a close-up of it, and it's crazy because it does have those lines that a stainless refrigerator does, or any stainless appliance. You guys can always kind of, this is the part about stainless that's awful because it smudges, but you guys can see it has like these little lines in it. So it definitely looks very realistic. It's been over a month now since I've done this, and we've used the microwave every day because when I babysit, we're just always having to reheat things up for the kids. And nothing has gone wrong with it yet. We haven't had any chips. There's been no weird wear and tear on this or anything like that. And like the kids have been touching it and at it and stuff. And I also have been able to clean it and wipe it down, and I haven't had any issues with anything chipping. So I think it's a really awesome product. Like I said, I definitely would recommend it. Over here with the dishwasher, again, we haven't used it, so I can't really say whether it's holding up or not. I have cleaned it a few times because the kids are kind of like always at it because it's just at their height. So as you guys can see, I still haven't put anything for the buttons. So many of you guys gave me great suggestions, like getting a Cricut machine and doing that. Or a lot of you guys also suggested just putting the words vertically going up, which I definitely could do. I think for now, it just looks a lot cleaner without anything. So I think I'm just gonna leave it. And then, like I said, if we ever do wanna get this fixed, I could always put words on it, but like I said, we're probably just gonna eventually get a new dishwasher, most likely before we move, just so it goes up for resale and it just would look a lot better. But yeah, I think it came out great. Like I said, the dishwasher didn't come out as great as the microwave because of the tape I used, and a lot of you guys suggested to just take the tape off right away when I paint. So I could definitely try that next time, or if you guys are doing it, maybe you guys could test that out. Willie, come here. We always have to have a little Willie break. Wilbur. But yeah, so again, here is just what the dishwasher looks like. And here's another overview. Also, I did decide not to paint this top part. So many of you guys said not to paint it, and you also said that your microwaves at home had this part black. So I thought that was great, and I think it looks really good black now. I don't think it looks weird anymore. And so I'm really happy with how that came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know a lot of you guys have tested this out at home and have found this to be really helpful. So I'm so glad about that. But I hope you guys are all staying safe and healthy, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.